we've got our snack crate. I think this is the April one. So if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And this is our snack crate. I'm not sure if it is the March or April one. There is your sneak peek and guess. Oh, I was going to have you guess.
We can get it out and I can pretend.
No, because you already know. So it would be too easy to guess.
Okay.
All right. So this month is Indonesia. Okay. So do you want to search for the snack or do you want to read the thing?
I'm fine with either.
Okay.
I'll read the thing.
Okay. So it does have like information about Indonesia, some games, but with top 10 movies. But we're going to go right to I guess this is what would be in the mini box. So the first thing we have are some Hello Panda cookies and cream. And these I don't know what these are.
They kind of look like,
All right, so here is how they look, Chloe.
oh, these are bigger than
chocolate. Oh, there is some cream inside. They are like a Teddy Graham,
Yeah.
but
Not
with cream
quite
inside. All right, so we have some spicy cassava chips.
It smells like ketchup.
Tastes like ketchup. I don't really like those.
I like them.
No ideas. Have some Tic Tac snack. This is chicken onion flavor.
Oh, that's a weird texture. It's like cheese balls.
Bandit. No.
Oh. It's not.
So there is how they look. They look like little pellets. Pretty good. Well, I like them. Or is it too strong of an onion flavor?
No?
No, not my favorite.
Wow, this one's kind of missing for you.
It is. It's kind of missing. Now it's hitting the mark.
I don't know. I'm really enjoying everything.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Thing about it.
A chocolate bar crafted with crispy wafer, creamy layers, and crunchy nuts, reflecting Delphi's reputation as a beloved chocolate brand. That'll probably be something you like.
Probably.
Let's split that small piece.
I'm going to take a bite first.
Alright. What did you just eat?
Nothing. I like it, but it tastes a little stale.
Yeah, I thought that too.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little bit soggy.
Yeah.
But I like it. It tastes good.
Yeah, I do like it.
I think it's just like because this box comes in. Might be a pocket almond.
All right, so next we have these little Pockies. He so wants to get something.
Have you ever had one of these before?
So what does it say about these?
Crispy biscuits coated in almond cream, sprinkled with almond bits, a delivered nutty twist on this Japanese-born snack.
I like these.
Figured you would. They also make them in chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Ocean cookies.
Mm. I did see those.
I think I saw them. Yep. They're just milk and chocolate flavored little biscuits, so you'll like those. Ooh, I'm excited for the next one though. Do we have those?
We do. We do, yeah.
I'll split one cookie. Nice.
Those are good.
Mm-hmm.
I like those. All right. Next, we have some yuppie, bolicious sweet lychee.
Sticky. Mmm. That's good. You don't like that, do you?
It's all right.
I know you're not a big lychee fan.
I also have the other chocolate taste in my mouth too.
Yeah, but I really like them.
Okay, I'll leave them to you.
Alright. And I think this is where the drink comes in. And do we have anything else or no?
We do. We have a few other things.
Yeah. Oh, there are some things after this too. There's some things after this too.
Okay. So the drink is by Green Sands. I don't know who it's by. It's a lemon and lime burst. Oh, no, lemon and grape. Lemon and grape. Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's the flavor. The name is called Green Sand. I think that's the brand. Ooh, it looks very fizzy. But this is the drink.
Move it over a little bit more. Yeah, there we go.
Mmm. Mmm.
That's interesting.
Interesting.
Not super sweet.
That's what I noticed too. American grape flavor is a lot different than the Indonesian one.
Yeah. All right. So here's what we have left
This is
in
one of the only artificial grape flavors I like.
the bag. We have some red velvet Oreos. I'm getting the short end of the stick here every time.
Not true. I gave you the bigger part of the chocolate bar. And if you want, you can have some of this.
It's all right. There's more things here. No, there's more things here. All right. Next, we have some Deca Mini Bites. Choco. So here is how they look. You'll like that.
Mmm.
It's a very bitter chocolate in the center.
Yeah.
All right, and we've got two more
It has
things.
like a coffee. Doesn't it?
I don't know. We have these Bang Bang.
Yeah, that's what we saw in the beginning. I told you I
Oh, it
saw
was?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right here.
Oh, okay.
And the cheese thing. I told you.
Oh, these are cheese things? Okay, I thought they were orange things.
Just have a picture of cheese right there.
Oh, let's see that. I'll give you the end piece.
Wow.
Very nice. So here is how this looks, and here's the inside. And it's like, I have not gotten a piece of anything.
Mm. This bag has been overwhelmingly sweet.
That's my favorite.
See, there, you get some stuff. And then we have the Maltas.
Yeah, this is small. It says it's got 7 crunchy layers. I think it's just one. I think it's a single serving.
Really? I thought it was going to be like goldfish.
But it's a little crushed up. Oh, I think it's 2 crackers. But it got a little crushed. Yeah, I definitely need a little.
Not my favorite, but it's still good. Really sweet.
It has a mixture of like a Gouda cheese flavor and sweetness.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is actually a lot better than I thought. It's definitely not as, like, the grape flavor is a lot different than in America.
Mm-hmm.
And I actually like it, which is surprising.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's it, right?
I think so. I think anything left in here would have been. Oh, these were choices, and I chose.
That and the red velvet.
I chose the red velvet. The soda already comes with it. That's part of the premium. And then for the ultimate, there was also some egg chips. Those look gross. White coffee wafer rolls, strawberry jam cookies, and taro seaweed chips, and Pillows cocoa pudding.
Ooh, that would have been good.
So these are some of the things that would be in the ultimate. We don't get the ultimate, we just get the premium. Oh, and there's also Fox Spring tea candy. Oh, I would have liked that.
Me too.
Oreo soft cake, yes. Ketchup sticks, no. And
ooh,
Choco banana crepe rolls. So those would be, so you do get, with the ultimate for another $24, you do get 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 additional. So that's not bad for an additional $25. All right. So overall, what do you think?
I really like this box. I know it was kind of hit or miss for you with this one.
It was a little hit or miss.
I liked it a lot.
Yeah. The things I liked, I really liked. The things I didn't like, I didn't hate.
Yeah.
They were just kind of meh. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. If you want to get your own snack crate, I've got the information down below. I don't have any kind of link, though. It's not going to save you any money, but it is tasty. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.